How to hard reset Motorola Razr 60 Ultra.
Step 1. To start, press and hold the power button for a moment, then tap on Restart from the list of options.
Step 2. Once you see the restart notification, immediately press both the volume down and power buttons together and keep them held for a few seconds.
Step 3. Let go of all buttons once the fast boot mode screen becomes visible.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.